Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Andreas Wiesman, Assistant Professor of Aviation at Utah State University. And today I'm going to talk about how to make an FPG 9. This is a very simple glider. I got the first idea when I started working on the Aviation Merit Badge with boys a few years ago. And since then I've used this for quite a few opportunities. But the idea is to learn how airplanes fly: lift, thrust, drag, and weight. And using a small, simple foam plate glider, that's why it's called FPG 9 for 9-inch. So the first thing we're going to do is, when you go to the internet and type in FPG 9, you're going to get this website here. And this will show you the form and the instructions how to do it. Thanks to Jack Reynolds. He's the volunteer at the National Model Aviation Museum for his pattern. Once you cut out the pattern, you're going to have the basic wing form and the tail. The most important thing is to make sure that these slots are as narrow as possible for the foam plate glider to be able to attach everything together. Once you take that, you'll take a foam plate and you put it on. Don't worry if they go a little bit over. Most plates are not 9 inches anymore. They're 8 3/4 to save money. But go ahead and trace it out on the foam plate, and when you're done tracing it out, this is what it's going to look like. Now be very careful when you have these slots to only cut them the thickness of the plate. Once you cut them out, you're going to go ahead and have the two different pieces that you're going to put together with the slots. Put a piece of tape here, and then take another piece of tape with a penny, and you're going to attach it to the glider right here. When you do that, it gives it the proper weight that it needs up front. Once you're done, you're going to cut these little slots with scissors, and these are your ailerons, and this is your rudder. So once this is weighted down, you're able to take it. Now, I always tell my students you got to name your gliders so that we know whose is whose, but it's part of the fun. So make sure that you tape the tail with the top facing here, and the weight of the penny can be taped on the bottom or the top, but it's folded over to give it that weight. This is important because without this weight in the front, the center of gravity will not be in front of the aerodynamic center, which it needs to be able to fly. So it's important that you have this penny here. Now, I put a piece of tape here just to keep this level. And this is what it looks like when you're all done. So I wish you the best of luck in making your FPG 9s. For this short video, remember, go on to FPG 9 from Jack Reynolds for the website. You can print up your patterns and create your airplane, and then you can practice how airplanes fly.